That in VSHR, every project we created is a result of the research we find out. So we know that fact, and we've been figuring out what can we do in a very sustainable way to create an impact to solve that problem.
Tell us your story about the first time that you came up with the idea of organizing Genius Upskill program, and are there any reasons behind the name Genius Upskill?
Yeah, so it actually, like in VSHR, I think it's a great question, so I'd love to give you insight about this one. So in VSHR, we found the organization based on the 4-year initial research. So in that 4-year initial research, we interact with a lot of people to identify different problems in health ecosystem. So that's a time we know that people love complaining about healthcare service model people rather than actually helping them to be better. So when we ask them, what do you think about the doctor, or what do you think about the people in the healthcare model, they always say that they're not good enough, they're not giving the best quality service. And then when we ask them back, what did you do to help them to be better? And that's the time we got long pauses, and which confirmed that they're just complaining about it rather than taking an ownership of the problem and helping them the better. So we know that that's the situation. So you know that in VSHR, every project we created is a result of the research we find out. So we know that fact, and we've been figuring out what can we do in a very sustainable way to create an impact to solve that problem. And then we founded the organization in 2017, and we then figured out that we need to create a model where we need to empower the community, and we also need to empower the medical and health service model people as well too. And then we figured out that we need to probably create a scholarship, and then we started to create what will be our resources needed, what are the capabilities we needed, and then we work on it for next 6 months, and then we actually launched Genius Upskill program in 2018. So it took us to figure out, to put the model and move the program together, and create the scholarship GUP in a 1 year, and then we put it on into production and in use for everyone. Now you may ask that, what's the name? Actually, the core of Genius Upskill program is the two things. Number one is inspire and upskill. So the thing is, when somebody get inspired and upskill at the same time, that person become like a genius, like a champion. So that came to our mind is our vision of GUP to create more social champion in the community and also in health service model. So we figured out that they will be the genius, and they can influence other people, they can motivate other people to learn and get better too. So then we decided, okay, it's going to be a Genius Upskill program. And then we figured out it's pretty long, so let's make a short form as well too, and then the short form became the GUP scholarship.